guys, this is Khushbu Singhvi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm sharing with you all one of my most favorite DIY clarifying hair mask. For the last 1.5 years, I think this is the only clarifying treatment I've used for my hair. This is how I clarify my hair. I actually started using this almost 2.5 years back when I started my CG journey. But now this is all that I use. So this is my personal favorite and I really hope you guys will like it too. So this is basically a clarifying mask, but by adding a few DIY ingredients you can also make it into a clarifying plus deep conditioning mask. So it also saves a lot of your time. It works beautifully, leave your hair nice and soft, and I don't know how else to say that how much I love this mask. So I really hope that you guys will find this video helpful. And if you do find this helpful, then do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you do find this video helpful and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, then do not forget to do it now. Also, the products that I've used in this video are from a brand called Nature's Tattva, who have now rebranded and they are now known as Tattwalogy. So I'm going to add whichever link is active right now. The process is still going on. So whatever link it is, it will be in the description. And in case you need, you can buy the products from there. Also guys, this is not my original recipe. I have found this on YouTube and on naturallycurly.com and many other blog posts. I'm really not sure that whose idea it was or from where did it actually originate. So it's difficult for me to give the credits, but it is not my original recipe. It's a very well-known mask for clarifying in the curly hair world. I have just done a few additions here and there and it just works so beautifully, you guys. I can't wait for you to try this. So let's get started. Also guys, this mask also works on the hard water deposit. So this is like an all-rounder mask for me. The results that you see here is one of the results that I've got using this mask. Every single time I use it, I absolutely get gorgeous results, and that is the reason I love it so much. Earlier, I would use this mask literally every month when I started my CG journey, but now I use it as in when I feel the need. There is no definite time. If you want to know more about clarifying, I have a whole detailed video on my channel. Go check that out. So now let's see how I actually make this mask. Please do not use any metal utensils for this DIY, as we will be using bentonite clay here and it doesn't go well with metals. As you can see, I'm using a glass container here. And now we are going to add our first ingredient, that is bentonite clay. Now you can use it from any brand as you like. I'm using a one from Nature's Tattva and this is really good. And I also find it quite budget friendly. Now I'm going to use around 3 to 4 tablespoons for my hair length. You can decide according to yours. Now this is a half tablespoon, so I've put around 6 heapfuls. The next ingredient we are going to add here is the activated charcoal. Now this is optional, but I still recommend you to add it, especially if you go swimming or if you use any hairsprays or any other non-CG friendly products on your hair, or if you are coloring your hair very often. This will work beautifully for your hair. It removes all the toxins from your hair and your scalp. Now I am adding only 1/4 teaspoon, but if you are doing any of these things, you can also add half teaspoon of activated charcoal. Now the next ingredient is the apple cider vinegar, preferably with mother. This helps to retain the pH value of this mask, adds a lot of shine, and also works beautifully for your hair. It gives me the best results when I use apple cider vinegar. Now right now I'm in Jaipur and I did not have it with me, so I replaced it with lemon juice. You can do so, but if you have the option, please use the apple cider vinegar. I'm using around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice here. Now this ingredient is 100% optional. You can totally skip on this and just add water and apply the mask in your hair. But if you do so, please follow up with a good deep conditioning treatment. I'm here adding half a cup and a little more of curds because my hair loves curds and it works out as a beautiful deep conditioner for me. Now doing so here is actually saving on my time, as I'm doing clarifying plus deep conditioning together. Now to make this mask more nourishing, you can additionally add a little honey or a few drops of your favorite oil here. Now the last and final ingredient here is water. I'm adding around half a cup of water. You just need to make it like a thick slurry, so add your water accordingly. Now it's going to be a little difficult initially when you mix it, but it's going to mix into a smooth paste, so don't worry about it. Now bentonite clay, as many say, is not really clarifying. They say it only detoxifies, but generally it works beautifully for me. I've used it multiple number of times and every single time it has removed all my buildup, leave my scalp squeaky clean. It has removed buildup from my hair as well, and it actually leaves my hair pretty soft. So I really love and enjoy using this mask. Now let's see how I actually apply this mask on my hair.
Now what you see here are my pre-pooed and detangled hair. I recommend to apply this mask on detangled hair to actually avoid any kind of mess which can occur if your hair is tangled. Now I like to distribute my hair into two sections and then apply this mask. Now, I normally keep the behind section smaller as I can't see there clearly and the front sections thicker. But either way, your motive here is to cover each and every strand of your hair with this mask. And it's very, very important to massage your scalp really well. Please do not cut on your time here to massage your scalp if you wish to get rid of all the buildup and toxins from your scalp. So every section, I actually massage it for 1 to 2 minutes at least. And then I coat my hair evenly with this mask. Now, once you are done applying this mask, you just need to cover your hair in a shower cap and keep this mask for 20 minutes. You do not want this mask to dry out on your hair, because if that happens, it's going to be very difficult to rinse it off. But if you keep it for 20 minutes and cover it with a shower cap, there is going to be absolutely no problem to rinse it off. It just comes off very easily. But ensure that you give it enough time to rinse it out completely. You do not want to leave the bentonite clay in your hair. So give your scalp a nice scrub and let the mask come out completely. After this, I simply follow it up with a conditioner and then I style my hair how I do usually. But in case you are not adding curds here, please follow it up with a deep conditioner and then your stylers. I do not recommend to shampoo before or after this treatment, as it's not required and it's going to anyway leave your hair squeaky clean.
So guys, this is it for this video. I really hope that you found this helpful and you are going to try it. If you do try, let me know how it works for you. I'll be more than happy to see it. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe before you go.